They told you it was simple. Buy a 3D printer, find some little gadgets that go viral, print a pile of them while you sleep, list them online, wake up to sales, passive income, easy money. So I bought the printer. I did the prints. I opened the Etsy shop. And I'm going to be honest with you, in ways most of these channels won't, because it did not go like that. Not even close. So let me show you what actually happens when you try to make money with a 3D printer. The part nobody puts in the thumbnail. This is the grounded layer. I run real machines, I sell real products, and I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to tell you the truth because the truth is the only thing that's actually going to help you make it work. Here's what we're covering: the fantasy they sell you, the three realities that smack you in the face, and then the part that matters, what actually started working once I stopped listening to the hype. Let's start with the fantasy. The pitch is that the printer does the work. You buy the machine, and the machine prints the money. That's the whole idea being sold. The printer is the hero. Here's the reality. Number one, the printer is the cheapest part. The machine is the easy purchase. What nobody tells you is everything that comes after. The failed prints, and there's lots of failed prints, hours of them, peeling plates into tangled mess, the filament you burn through learning, the supports you have to cut off by hand, the sanding, the gluing, the reprints because the color was wrong or the tolerances were off by half a millimeter. The printer runs for hours, but you run for longer. That passive income has you standing at a workbench with a hobby knife at 11 at night. The reality number two, making it is not the same as selling it. Let's say you nail the print, beautiful. Now you have to sell it. In the marketplace where everyone sends you, it's flooded with the exact same viral gadgets you just printed. 100 other people watched the same video and bought the same printer and had the same idea. So now you're not a maker, you're a marketer. You need good photos. You need a listing that ranks. You need to handle the messages, the shipping, the 1-star review from someone whose package the courier left in the puddle. None of that is printing. All of that is the job. Reality number three, and this is the one that really stinks: the math. Sit down and actually run it. The filament, the electricity, the failed prints, the packaging, the marketplace fees, the shipping, and then the part that everyone skips: your time. Put even a low hourly wage on your own hours. Do that honestly. And a lot of those cute little $5 trinkets you're making makes no sense. Sometimes you're paying to work. You didn't buy a money machine. You bought yourself a minimum wage job with extra steps. Okay, that's the hard part. I'm not going to leave you there because I didn't quit. I adjusted. So here's what actually started to work. Stop printing what everyone else prints. The whole trap is competing on the same viral item as 1,000 other people. There's the only lever left is dropping your price. And then that's a race to the bottom. And the bottom is where the margins go to die. The thing that changed it for me was going where I wasn't competing on price. Custom work people can't just search and buy in 2 clicks, solving a specific problem for a specific person who needs exactly one thing made exactly one way. Local businesses need a part, a fixture, a replacement that doesn't exist anymore. That's the shift from I print cheap things and I hope I solve a problem only I'm set up to solve. One of those is the commodity, the other is a business. And that's the whole idea behind the grounded layer. Grounded. Real expectations, real numbers, real work, not a dream. A craft you can actually build something on. So if you came here looking for the easy money video, I'm sorry. But if you came here to actually do this the right way, that I can help with. I put together a free sheet that genuinely wish I'd had day one. It breaks down what actually sells versus what actually looks good on camera and the real cost nobody warns you about. So you don't spend 6 months learning this the expensive way like I did. Links in the description. And if you want to see the exact kind of work that moves trinkets to the actual income, that video is right here. This is the grounded layer. Keep it real, keep it grounded.